Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a Lewis dot structure of the covalent bond of carbon and hydrogen. First, you want to find the valence electrons for each atom, which you can find in the periodic table. Second step is you draw the valence electrons for each atom. So carbon is, as an example, I show it has a valence electron of 4, so you draw 4 dots on the outside. Then the third step is you find out how many electrons is needed to satisfy the element. Carbon follows the octet rule, which only needs 8 electrons. However, hydrogen only needs 2 because it follows a different rule. And then step 4, you can bond the carbons together, and each carbon can share 1 electron. And this, you need to do some math because you need to have the hydrogens involved in this afterwards. So the left carbon gets 5 electrons, the middle one gets 6, and the right one gets a total of 5. Then step 5, you link the remaining elements, the hydrogens. You can put them on the outer part of carbon, and you can just link the hydrogens. The hydrogens, remember, need only 2 to satisfy them. So in the end, you will have, in step 6, you can draw lines for each pair of atoms being bonded. And then there you have it. You have all the carbons fully satisfied with 8 valence electrons, and each hydrogen with 2 valence electrons. Okay, but there's also such bonds as these, and these are known as polyatomic ion bonds. And they have either too many electrons or too little of electrons to share. So we have an example of phosphorus with 5 valence electrons and oxygen with 6 valence electrons. Step 2, you want to take those atoms and put them together. Step 3, you bond them all, and then you look for the missing electrons. As you can see, phosphorus has not too little of electrons to give off, and already all of them are being bonded with the other oxygens. And as you can see, the oxygens, however, are not satisfied. 3 of them have only 7 valence electrons and need 1 more. So this brings us to step 4, which in the end we just fill it up with another electron, and we indicate it in our Lewis dot structure. And we put the structure in brackets and put a negative sign to indicate that on the outside.